Got that package in. You know who we're going with this time on this setup. So yeah, we're gonna get these off. Move them brakes off. Take them off, we're going a little bit bigger. Back's coming off too. Actually, we're gonna redo everything. We're gonna start over for the Chevelle. We're gonna start over. Let's bust this box open. I said this one's a little different this time. This one a little different. I said for this Chevelle, it's me versus me. Quiet, Rocky. A braided line. Little stickers. Some rotors. Let's see here. You know what I'm trying to get around to. Let me put this camera down and bust them open right quick. Yeah, we went with these this time. 6 piston. They're pretty nice size. We're going pretty big on this one. They look pretty small. Let's kind of get something to kind of compare them. I'm gonna go get one of the. Ain't that big of a difference, I guess. Okay, yeah. Okay. We're gonna get something to kind of compare them. See what the difference is. I got another set of got a set of Brembros that I was gonna put on the Impala. Let's check it out. We gotta take them apart so we can paint them. These Brembros look pretty big though. Let's see. Oh yeah. And Brembros are pretty massive. Man, they're pretty big. It's pretty big. Well, yeah. Brembros are still big. So we might. I got them hanging around for some. I don't know yet. I think we're gonna go more for the slick look on this one. We're gonna hit them up and see if we can. We're gonna check it out, see what we can do. Like I said, this the new deal. Chevelle here, we're going for We're going for a different level this time. We're going for a different level. We got a couple tricks on our sleeve on this one. I just have to stay around, stick around, check the progress out. We're gonna do, actually, this one's for sale. But we'll talk about that one on another note. So, y'all like, subscribe, comment. Let's keep that, keep it going. All right, man, just like that. 72 is sold. $72 is sold. But it's still for sale. So if you guys want it, you hear it running. Running good. Good oil pressure. Thing pretty much there. Doors closed good. Doors closed good. Just sitting there running. Y'all seen when I picked it up. Just pop the hood again. I ain't did nothing to it. You know, I was gonna strip it down anyway. So you gotta stay tuned to see what's coming up next. You gotta see what's coming up next. For the most part, you ain't gonna find one of these. You ain't gonna find one of these. 72 Chevelle. You wanna buy it? Let me know. I'll hook you up with the guy I just sold it to. Check out this passenger side. Yeah, lock the door. We're gonna get done with the paperwork. We're gonna get done with the paperwork. We'll let them do it. Let's see, is that it? Yep. Cut the camera back on in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the side. Yep. But yeah, just like that, it's sold.